Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 5090M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Tractor also comes with the 540M self-leveling front end loader. Tractor has under 100 hours on it. It's practically a new machine. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty as well. Tractor's rated at 90 horsepower. Again, it is the 5090M is the model number. It does have the Power8 transmission, which consists of 4 ranges and an 8-speed power shift within each range. So very convenient tractor to operate. Simply push the buttons to shift up and down. Really nice for haying, really nice for mowing, anything to that nature. It does have the self-leveling loader again, and it does have the global style hookup here for your bucket connection. Bucket's in nice shape. A little bit of a scratch here in the front beam of the loader, but overall very nice machine. Looks practically new. It does have the mirrors on both sides of the cab. Also has the strobe up there on the top left of the cab. Front fenders has the single point connection for your loader hose disconnect. Has steps and doors on both sides of the cab. Has the front, rear, and side work lights on the cab. Rear fender extensions. Has Firestone radial tires. Still see the ridges on the tires here. Heavy duty 3-point arms, has the drawbar and top link right there with the tractor. Triple remotes in the back. Rear wiper has buttons here on the left fender for your 3-point, and also a button for the PTO. Toolbox right there within easy reach. Super nice tractor. Inside the cab looks just like the exterior, looks like new. It does have the premium air ride seat for the operator. That seat is heated. Also has a buddy seat here on the side. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Has a left-hand power reverser that allows you to change direction without clutching. And again, it does have the Power8 transmission, which is a 4-range transmission and with an 8-speed power shift within each range. Gives you a total of 32 speeds. And again, with the 8 speeds within the ranges, you're able to shift those without clutching. So very nice transmission. All your PTO hydraulic 3-point controls all located to the right there. Up top you've got radio, climate controls. Also has a visibility window there on the roof of the cab. That whole thing here there just slides back and is glass on top of that, so you can easily see if you're stacking bales or stacking anything up high. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. We have approximately 150 used tractors on our yard. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.